Welcome to GURPS Protocol. You know there's a lot of skills, and sometimes just to fill out a character sheet, it takes like dozens of skills just to be a normal human. Let's take a normal day of a single salaryman to prove a point. You wake up, cook breakfast, get to the car and start driving to work, get to the office and start working, take a coworker out to dinner, go home and clean the house. And this is just his job and basic things related. We don't even include any hobbies or other talents. So to make things easier for both GMs and players, GURPS has created Bang Skills. On page 175 of GURPS base set, there's an optional rule set for wildcard skills known as Bang Skills. And yes, exclamation point is necessary. That's how you know it's a Bang skill and not just a regular skill. Simply put, they are a group of skills that go under one term, so it's easier for both players and GMs to get past some of the tedium. These typically fall under IQ or dexterity, and they are always very hard skills. It doesn't just apply to simply daily tasks. Let's take Gun Bang skill, for example. Gun, DX very hard, covers all gun skills and related fast draw skills, and has an IQ-based role for armory related to those guns. This makes your mercenary way more flexible and more on brand for the character. You could mix and match skills that would fit your build. When I run a campaign, I usually let my players build one Bang skill to cover their starting job. That way, I can call out a skill that type and they can respond with a simple roll without having to worry about getting into the specific skill. One key note about Bang skills. Obviously, they're simplified and make things cheaper to get. Normally, very hard skill costs a dependent amount of points and goes up. But Bang actually triples the very hard cost. This helps balance out the point economy for Bang skills. You are still to take the skills from the Bang skill as an own independent skill and level up that way. Still, even if you only pick 4 very hard skills inside your Bang skill, you're already saving more points overall. You could say it's a bit of bang for your buck. Before I go, I'd like to say thank you so much for watching. This channel has been exploding a lot lately, and I'm happy to have you all here. I wanted to announce I have a partner helping me with the show now. Meet Jollyfish.
Hello, I'm Jollyfish. I'll be helping with making the sheets for characters and items that'll show up here. Thanks for having me.
He's a good friend of mine and knows GURPS more than I do, and has helped me prepare a lot of great projects in the future for this channel. So give him a big welcome. And again, thanks for watching.